Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to use the topic research tool. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Semrush, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. The Semrush topic research tool is designed to help you generate content ideas, understand audience interests, and identify trending topics. So once you are logged into your Semrush account, I want you to navigate to the content marketing toolkit, and that's going to be in the left side panel of your dashboard. Just hover down below, you see, right here, content marketing, and then click the drop-down menu, and there is the topic research. Click on it, it would be forwarded here. All right. Now, I want you to type in a broad keyword or phrase related to your niche. For example, you are in the financial or insurance company. You might want to type in loans, or if you're in the fitness industry, you might want to type in maybe gym goals or sustainable living. All right, but I'm gonna enter a topic. For example, since we are on the YouTube channel, we are on the content creation industry, so I'm gonna type in content creation. Now here you can enter a domain to find content on. If you want it, for example, I want to find a content creation, for example, in Vimeo, YouTube, you can put it in. But if you don't want, skip that for now. You also have an option to find the content creation. Is it going to be related to your own specific country? All right. Is it going to be inside United States, United Kingdom, and even if your own local country? All right. So let's click the get content ideas. All right. Again, you can select a specific location if you want to target a particular audience or region. That's dependent on you. Just wait for a little while because it takes some time. Now, once the results has been generated, all right, you can explore all of these by going to the right here. So now the results are displayed in 4 formats. Number one option is the cards. Now you see, each cards represents a subtopic with headlines. All right, you see that? Questions and related researches. For example, is it going to be graphic design, search engine optimization, social media platforms, influencer marketing? For example, what is a content creator and how can you become? Or maybe headlines like creating helpful, reliable, people-first content, and related searches such as 27 social media tools for every content creator needs. Get what I mean? Now, and the next thing is, the next tab is going to be Explorer. If you click that, you would notice that it will show you a detailed list of subtopics sorted by relevance or popularity. For example, how to write and format a white paper or a content creation guide, which is the Facebook engagements are these. The what is a white paper have like a 258 engagements, which is a lot. Backlinks has like 663. We have a separate video on how to get and use backlinks here in Semrush. You might want to check that out in our channel. Total shares are enormous. All right, 921. So you might want to check that. The next tab is going to be the overview, where it is a snapshot of the most engaging headlines, subtopics, and questions. For example, top 10 headlines by backlinks is 39 ways to increase traffic to your website. All right. And number 1 is 10 interesting questions. How to create content as a graphic designer. You see that? What is the role of SEO in content creation, and a lot more. You might want to explore all these. All right. You can jump down here. The subtopics gives you this, the volume, difficulty, and topic efficiency. And of course, the trending. We're going to deal with that later. And now the last tab is going to be the mind map, where it is a visual representation of how subtopics connect to your main keyword. The content creation is this. This is going to be the mind map. You see, there's a lot that you can work with these keywords in mind, since you are trying to utilize the topic research tool. You have like kind of content, great way to engage, create shorter content starts, content creation for social media, and a lot more. You see that? Now, after doing all of these, you might want to analyze the subtopics. Again, we went to the overview. The subtopics are here. All right. Again, it gives you the volume. Graphic design is volume is 90.5, which is a lot. The difficulty. Now, the difficulty, we have explained that in our previous video. But basically, if you find the keyword difficulty 100%, you might want to skip that for now. It's really hard. So you might want to go for like 20 or 30, which is easy and doable. All right. And the topic efficiency are these. You might want to explore that for inspiration, like top 10 content idea generation strategies, the top and the trending keywords. But there's no trending topic subtopics for this keyword content creation. But there are top 10 related searches. That is Hanking Ryer and the platform. Now, after doing all of these, you might prioritize the subtopics based on the search volume, trendiness, and relevance. All right, you have to choose the content ideas and create a content plan. How do we do it? I want you to click the Get Started button in the content marketing. You can create a great content that clicks with your customers. All right. Now you can access the content marketing platform. You'll get access to the topic research tool, which we have right now. And of course, go to the SEO content template. If you click that, you would notice you can enter your content template, generate actionable briefs for SEO friendly content with just a few clicks, because that is the purpose of the topic research anyway. Enter your target keywords here, and after doing all of these, since you have already researched the keyword relevant to your niche or industry, I want you to go to the SEO button, go to the keyword strategy builder, because in this part, once you've entered all of these keywords that you have researched through the topic research tool, all right, I want you to build a better strategy. Since you have already chosen the topic research that you have, all right, enter the seed keywords. You just have to describe all this in a few seed keywords and build a content. Create a page on a website for each pillar, maybe create a blog, an article using all the research topics that you have utilized using this tool right here. We have a separate video on how to use the keyword strategy builder that you might want to check in our channel after learning how to use the topic research tool. All right. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.